Hey there, folks. Welcome back to BA Media, where we discuss all things wealth and success. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: the six things you should avoid if you are aiming to achieve financial abundance. If you are aiming to achieve financial abundance, there are the six crucial things that you should avoid. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you will be on the right path towards your goals. And let's dive in and make sure you are equipped with the knowledge and tools to succeed. The first one: lack of honesty. One of the fundamental traits that can hinder your path to riches is a lack of honesty. Being dishonest, whether it's on your dealing with others or even with yourself, can erode trust and damage your reputation. Building wealth requires fostering strong relationships, and integrity plays a significant role in that process. Be honest, transparent, and ethical in all your financial endeavors. Here are the few examples of how a lack of honesty can hinder your success. First, for building deals, imagine you're considering partnering with someone in a business venture. Unfortunately, these persons turn out to be dishonest and start misrepresenting financial statement. As a result, your business's reputation takes a hit and your chances of achieving financial success become uncertain. Next is investment opportunity. Picture yourself investing in a promising startup that claims to have incredible growth potential. However, later on, you discover that the company's financial information was manipulated or misleading. Sadly, this leads to financial losses and put a damper on your efforts to build wealth. Next would be personal finances. So think about situation where you avoid facing your debt, overspend, or neglect keeping track of your expenses. It's like creating a financial mirage that seems fine for a while, but eventually catches up to you. This illusion can hinder your progress in accumulating wealth and leave you with the financial struggles. Next is professional reputation. Imagine you engage in dishonest practices like exaggerating your qualifications or taking undue credit for others' achievements. This action damages your professional reputation, making it harder to seize wealth building opportunities. Instead of gaining trust and respect, you may miss out on valuable chances for success. Remember, honesty is not only being truthful to others, but it's also about being true to yourself. By maintaining integrity in your financial endeavor, you build trust, foster strong relationship, and increase your chances of long-term success and wealth accumulations. If you're finding this information helpful, I kindly ask you to like this video and share it with your friends. Your support is greatly appreciated. The second thing that can hinder your success is neglecting your identity. It's crucial to recognize and embrace your unique identity when it comes to wealth building. Don't try to accumulate someone else's journey or adopt strategies that don't align with your values and strength. Understanding your strength, passion, and skills will allow you to leverage them effectively and make informed decisions that suit your individual path to success. So here are the few examples of neglecting your identity. First is emulating others. Instead of embracing your unique identity, you try to copy someone else's approach to wealth building. However, that works for them may not work for you as your strength, passion, and skills are different. Next is adopting misaligned strategies. You decide to follow strategies that don't resonate with your values and strength. By neglecting your unique identity, you end up making decisions that aren't well suited to your individual path to success. Next is ignoring passions and skills. You discourage your passion and skills when pursuing wealth building opportunities. As a result, you miss out on leveraging your unique strength, which could have led more fulfilling and successful outcomes. So remember, embracing your identity is the key to finding genuine fulfillment and success on your wealth building journey. By recognizing and leveraging your unique strength and passions, you can make informed decisions that align with who you are and maximize your chances of achieving long-term prosperity. Third thing that hinder your success is lack of financial literacy. Money can be a powerful tool if you understand how to manage and grow it. However, many individuals fail to acquire essential financial literacy skills. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth building strategies. Expand your knowledge through books, courses, or even by following informative channels like ours to enhance your understanding of money. So here are the few examples of lack of financial literacy. First is missed opportunities. Without financial literacy, you miss out on available opportunities to make your money work for you. Whether it's understanding investment option or leveraging tax advantages, lacking knowledge in personal finance can limit your ability to grow your wealth. Next is poor money management. Without basic financial literacy skills, it becomes challenging to effectively manage your money. This can lead to overspending, accumulating debt, or making uninformed financial decisions that hinder your path to wealth. Next is falling for financial scams. Lack of financial literacy makes you more susceptible to falling for scam or making poor investment choices. Without understanding the red flags or conducting proper due diligence, you could unknowingly jeopardize your financial and lose money. Next would be limited wealth building strategies. Financial literacy empowers you to explore various wealth building strategies and understand which ones aligns with your goals. Without this knowledge, you may be confined to limited options and miss out on potential avenues for accumulating wealth. By investing time and effort into improving your financial literacy, you gain the knowledge and confidence needed to make informed financial decisions. So take advantage of educational sources, seek guidance from experts, and stay updated on personal finance topics to enhance your understanding of money and maximize your wealth building potential. Before we proceed, your support by subscribing to my channel will bring you closer to your goal. So let's go back to the fourth thing if you're aiming to achieve financial abundance, and that will be overconsumption. While it's tempting to indulge in the extravagant lifestyle, overconsumption can be a significant roadblock on your journey to wealth. Constantly chasing material possessions or living beyond your means can hinder your ability to save, invest, and accumulate wealth. Focus on distinguishing between wants and needs. Practice mindful spending and prioritize long-term financial goals over short-life pleasures. So here are the few examples that can hinder your success. First is living beyond your means. When you constantly indulge in a lavish lifestyle or spend more than you earn, it becomes challenging to save and invest. Overspending can lead to mounting debt and restrict your ability to build wealth in the long run. Next is delayed financial security. Prioritizing short-term pleasures over long-term financial security can hinder your progress. Instead of saving and investing for the future, overconsumption may leave you financially vulnerable and unprepared for emergencies or retirement. Next is missed saving and investment opportunities. By consistently spending on unnecessary items or expenses, you miss out the opportunities to save and invest in assets that can grow your wealth. Saving and investing early can provide compounding returns and pave your way to long-term financial success. Next is distorted perception of happiness. Overconsumption often stems from the misconception that material possession lead to lasting happiness. However, true fulfillment comes from aligning your spending with your values and focusing on the expenses and relationship rather than accumulating possessions. By practicing mindful spending, distinguishing between wants and needs, and prioritizing long-term financial goals, you can break free from the cycle of overconsumption. Building wealth requires discipline and making cautious choices that aligns with your financial aspiration. The fifth thing that can hinder your financial success is failing to take calculated risk. Building wealth often requires taking risk. However, it's crucial to differentiate between calculated risk and reckless decision. Avoiding all risk can limit your growth potential, but diving into every opportunity without proper evaluation can be detrimental as well. Develop the ability to assess risk, weigh potential rewards, and make informed decisions that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Next is risk aversion. Being overly risk-averse can hinder your wealth-building potential. Avoiding all risk may lead to missed opportunities for growth and higher returns. It's important to recognize that calculated risks are often necessary for financial progress. Next is reckless decision-making. On the other hand, impulsive and reckless decision-making can have negative consequences. Jumping into every opportunity without proper evaluation can result in financial losses and setbacks. Next is assessing risk and rewards. Developing the ability to assess risk and weigh potential rewards is essential. Consider factors such as market conditions, financial projections, and expert advice to make informed decisions that aligns with your long-term financial goals. Next is diversification. Taking calculated risk also involves diversifying your investment. Spreading your investment across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and increase the likelihood of overall financial growth. By understanding the difference between calculated risk and reckless decision, you can strike a balance that allows for the growth while minimizing potential pitfalls. Building wealth requires thoughtful evaluation, informed decision-making, and willingness to step outside your comfort zone when appropriate. The last thing would be ignoring the power of compound interest. Finally, one common mistake many people make is underestimating the power of compound interest. Investing early and consistently can result in exponential growth over time. By delaying or neglecting your investment journey, you miss out the compounding effect that can significantly contribute to your wealth accumulation. Start investing as early as possible and let the time work in your favor. Here are the few examples. First is exponential growth. Compound interest allows you to invest to grow exponential over time. By reinvesting your earnings, you earn returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated interest, leading to accelerated wealth accumulation. Next is early start. The key to maximizing the power of compound interest is to start investing as early as possible. The longer your investment have time to compound, the greater the potential for significant growth. Delaying your investment journey can mean missing out on the valuable time and the compounding effect it offers. Next is consistency matters. Consistency investing over time further enhances the benefits of compound interest. Regular contribution, even they are small, can compound and build significant wealth over the long term. Next is long-term perspective. The power of compound interest is the best realized when you adopt a long-term perspective. Allow you to invest to compound over years or even decades, giving them the opportunity to generate substantial returns. By recognizing the power of compound interest and starting your investment journey early, you can harness this force to your advantage. Be consistent, stay invested for the long term, and let time work its magic in growing your wealth. Remember, achieving financial abundance requires dedication, knowledge, and smart decision making. By avoiding common pitfalls and staying informed, you're already one step closer to your goals. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated for our latest content, where we'll provide valuable tips and insights specifically tailored to help you achieve financial success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain the necessary skills and strategies to create lasting wealth. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you on the next video.